Hi, I'm Gary from organicweb.com.au and I'm a Mailchimp Pro partner. In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate how we can make really great looking buttons in Mailchimp itself, very quickly and easy. We can make buttons that people want to click, your recipients will want to click. I'm going to create a button similar to this button here to show how simple it is. I like this button because, well, it's colorful. There's a call to action that describes what happens. See offer, for example. We won't use click now. We'll go learn more, book now, something like that. It's got an arrow, which I love. We'll add that. This is what we call pill shaped because of the rounded corners, I guess. It's transparent in that it just has a line around it. I really like that. I like the black background, but it's up to you what color background you use. But the button itself I really like. The only thing I don't like about this button, and you won't be able to see this at home, this arrow has been added as an image. The problem is, if the person has images switched off, it shows this horrible block. The thing is, that's actually really simple to rectify, and I'll show you how we can add the button totally in Mailchimp so that it'll show even if images are turned off for people. So going into Mailchimp, to add a button, I'm in my campaign, I'm going to click Edit Design. I'll go through the very basics initially, but it's actually all very simple, to be honest. I'm in the new email builder. You might be in the classic, but that's fine, very similar. I'll click the plus to add my button. I click button to add a button. I can then change the text, for example, such as learn more maybe. What I would do is that I would then add a URL where I want people to go to when they click. So if you have an event on Eventbrite, that would be the Eventbrite URL where they can book. Maybe it's on your website. That's up to you. You can change the text if you really want to. There we go. But let's go back and start replicating that button. So what it is, it's that rounded sort of shape and it's in color first of all. So as we're looking at the screen on the left hand side, when we've clicked on the button block, if we scroll down, of course we could make the button go to the left or the right, but this is what we're really concerned with here. Round, you'll notice it slightly rounds the corners, but if I click pill, there we go, it's that sort of rounded shape. Then what they've done, and sorry, I'm going backwards and forwards a bit, I hope I'm not making you dizzy. They've made it a transparent background, just outlined. So what they've done here is they've just clicked outlined. There we go. So we've got it outlined. We've got it outlined there. So what we can do now is change the color. I'm going to materialpalette.com, but you would use your brand colors, and let's just make it this purple color. So to change the colors, I can change the outline color by clicking button and just paste in my corporate colors or my colors, and I'll click the back button so you can see it's now outlined. To change the text, well, I just click text. I'll paste in the color, and it could even be a different color. Nice and easy. If you wanted to change the block background color, you can. I mean, if you want to change the whole background of your email, there are different places to do it, but if you just wanted this block to be a different color, we could click on a different color or paste in a different color. That's absolutely fine. I'll just go back to white, however. And there it is. So very similar to that one. And by the way, you can change with the margins and so on to change, to make it smaller and so on. But let's add something. I won't actually add, I'll make it more colorful, I guess, by adding a different icon. But they've added an arrow, and as I said to you, they added an arrow as an image, and the problem is if images don't load, we have that problem where we have that horrible little square. What many people don't know, and it's actually just so simple, is we can just add an emoji, and even an arrow emoji. So I'll just click the space where I want to add it. I'll go to emojipedia.org in this case, but you can get your emojis somewhere else. There are plenty of websites. And whatever emoji I want, so I could have typed in here arrow, for example, and chosen an arrow, and there are just lots and lots of different ones. But in this case, let's, just for some color, let's add this heart with arrow. So I click on heart with arrow, and what I want to do is copy the emoji, come back to Mailchimp, and quite simply just paste the emoji into my button. So there we go. There we go. Nice and simple. Really great looking button. I can go further. I can add more emojis if I really want to. Let's add I don't know, a cow face. I'll copy that, come back to Mailchimp, and I can add that wherever I want to. There it is. Now this button will show even if images are turned off. It's perfectly safe to do. We can make really great looking buttons by just playing with those different colors, with the alignments and so on, the styles, and just adding some emojis. And emojis aren't considered images, so they do load when images don't load. Please like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. My name is Gary from organicweb.com.au.